nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Nae, and today I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these pigtails. So I'm going to start off by giving myself a center part, and I'm going to part it from the front all the way to the back, and then I'm just going to separate it. So I'm going to start off by working with one section at a time. So I'm going to just take one and just, clip it up, take it out my way. And now I'm just going to comb down the next half. And you want to make sure your hair is nice and smooth. And I'll be taking out hair for my baby hairs, for my sideburns. So I'm going to start off with my baby hairs. So I'm going in with my ebon edge control and my edge control brush, and I will just be creating my edges before I put my ponytail up. So once I've got my edges the way I want them, I am going to catch this portion of my hair up, and I'm going to move on to the next side. So now that I have this portion done, I am going in with my Clear Eco Styling Gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and layer the gel on the top portion of my hair. That way it stays. And once I've applied the gel everywhere, I am going to then remove the bands that I use to hold my ponytails, and I'm just going to comb over the ponytail and catch it back up. That way it is nice and slick, because when you do comb through your hair, you tend to have hair around the band, so you just want to make sure that it just looks nice and sleek. So you'll go ahead, remove the band, and then catch it all back together. So for this style, I will be going in with the 52-inch pre-stretched expressions braiding hair, and I will be using basically this full pack. So what I like to do is I like to divide the hair up. That way it's easier for me when I'm feeding in the braids to just have the pieces there. So that's what you see me doing now. So with half of one of the bundles, I am going to attach it to my ponytail, as you can see. So I'm going to take a smaller end and I'm putting it beside my hair, and I'm going back with the elastic that came on the hair, and I'm just going to tie it around and attach it to my ponytail. It's easy just like that. And then you bring the hair down, and yeah, there you have it. So it all just blends in perfectly. I always leave a piece out, that way I can wrap my band after. But I'm just going to start braiding now, and you'll see me feeding in the braids as I go down. So here you can see that I needed to add in the next bundle. So basically each braid was a bundle and a half, and I used one pack of braiding hair. So this is basically how the braid looks when you have braided it all the way to the end. And now I'm going in with this piece that I left behind, and I'm using my got2b free spray, and I'm just spraying it on the hair and wrapping it around my band. That way it just looks more neat. You want to hide the band, guys. So that's what you see me doing right now. That is basically how I achieved this style. So now I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did on one side to the next side. So now I will be going in with this small flat iron. I just use it to curl my sideburns, and I'm I'm just gonna curl it. That way it is easier for me to lay down. I think it looks better this way. So I'm gonna go in with my edge control and I'm just gonna make a little swoop, and that is about it. So if you made it this far, I hope you are subscribed to my channel, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you see every time I upload. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you learned something. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at nae.simone. Tag me in your pictures, in your videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.